Our students put together a little something for you for helping out, and we wanted to read it to you before we present it, all right? This right here is called The Scientist Behind the Curtain. As finals week approaches us and spring break gleams in sight, last lectures, labs, and sections draw near to our delight. We thank our lucky stars we made it, 1 quarter more surpassed. At times this one felt treacherous, however will we last? But from the tense and stressed milieu of upper div STEM class, we found escape in one of them, where languish turned to laughs. They call this treasured study hall BIBC 103. Therein we endured biochem, but felt like we were free. Though tempting as it may be to claim credit for our merits, we choose instead to recognize a source we ought to cherish. A worker lurked behind the scenes, sternly albeit nicely, 4 hours that passed each day, we but saw him once or twicely. He prepped reagents, he cultured cells, he bonded bodies with their antes. He enhanced all the experiments and encouraged all the safeties. 4 times 2 makes 8, and again by 10 makes 80. Hours that we had to master techniques of biochemistry. We think this task impossible, lest we students go quite crazy, without the aforementioned helpers aliquoted aiding. He saved us from ourselves, no doubt, mistakes benign and tragic. We find his contributions clearly nothing short of magic. No, not the kind you find in Oz, nay, Narnia, or elsewhere. Outside of those fictitious tales, true wizardry is out there. Transfiguration? No. Transfection? Abracadabra? Please. Real transformations seem more modest, but appear not so to we. The scientist we speak of now goes by the name of Joe. However ordinary sounding, the opposite we know. He made our time a pleasure here in winter 2018. And Berg, of course, was cool and all, Kennewimbin and Charlene. But as time runs out between us and we reach to draw the curtain, we look behind and cheer for Joe, thankfully and certain. That's the scientist.
Very cool, thank you.
No problem.
Hey, good job, man.
Are you going to take a picture of him?